Are you a loser? Do you feel like you're always the one left behind, always the last to know, always the butt of jokes? If so, then it's time to change your outlook and learn how to be a happy loser. Here are 5 ways to be one of them. 1. Don't take yourself too seriously. The first step to being a happy loser is to not take yourself too seriously. Accept that you're not perfect and that you will make mistakes. Don't beat yourself up over them, just learn from them and move on. 2. Embrace your inner geek. We all have our geeky side, so embrace it. Be proud of your knowledge and interests, even if they're not popular. Chances are, there are others out there who share your love of comic books, video games, or whatever it is that you're into. 3. Be positive. It's easy to focus on the negative, but try to stay positive regardless of the situation. This doesn't mean you have to be fake or put on a happy face all the time, just don't let the bad outweigh the good. 4. Find your niche. We all have our own unique talents and interests, so find yours and make the most of it. Whether it's writing, painting, hiking, or anything else, use your talents to create something amazing. 5. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others is a surefire way to be unhappy. Everyone is on their own journey, so focus on your own path and don't worry about what everyone else is doing. If you're feeling down about yourself, remember that it's okay to be a loser. We all are at times. The important thing is to not let it get you down and to learn from your mistakes. Be positive, find your niche, and don't compare yourself to others. Do these things and you'll be a happy loser in no time. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to being a happy loser.